Hi, I'm Carla Dimattina from Ritam Studio. We're going to do a quick butt workout today, so let's get started. Come down onto your back. Plant down through both your feet, and now just push through your heels, big toes, middle of the outside foot, and then squeeze your inner heels subtly towards each other. With this connection with your feet, push down and lift your butt up, and then roll down. So we're articulating through the spine. We're doing bridges here. When you come up, try not to stick the rib cage out. I want you to keep your rib cage connected, so you're really pushing from your feet and the back of your legs, feeling that into your butt. Keep your chest open. Don't let your shoulders round forward as you're coming up. Let's take 5 more like this. On your next one, I'm going to get you to stay at the top and hold right here. We're just going to pulse halfway down and up. So little small pulses down halfway and up. Make sure your whole foot is still connected. Become aware of if you're pushing on the outside of your feet more than your big toes. Try and spread the weight evenly. Let's take 5 more pulses. On your next one, stay at the top and hold. You're going to lift your right leg up. From here, you're going to lower your bum and lift. Lower your bum and lift. So now we are driving through that left foot. These are hard. We only have a few of them. You're going to do 2 more. 1 more. Stay at the top and hold. Point your right toes, lower them down, and then flex the foot to lift back up. Point and flex. Try not to lose the height of your left hip. Don't let it drop down right now. Keep it up. We've only got 2 more of these. I know these ones work really quickly. It's a short workout, so we want to get to the spot straight away. On your next one, hold the leg up. Push a little higher. Stay here. Little pulses now, just for 5. Tiny, barely perceptible movement through my left as my right heel pushes to the ceiling for 2. Hold it at the top. Slower here. We want to go slow, not fast. Bend the knee, lower the foot down, roll your back all the way down. Roll back up into your bridge and then come back down. Really connect with your inner thighs here. You want to be drawing through your inner thighs, wrapping them towards each other as you roll up. Feel the difference in the quality of the bridge when you do that. Take 2 more. On your next one, stay up at the top and hold. You're going to pulse again, halfway down and up. Little pulses, pushing from your feet and your bum, not just moving your belly, from your feet and bum. It's very concentrated work through your legs, through your butt. Take 2 more here. Now hold the next one up. Lift your heels and lower. Lift your heels and lower. You're driving up onto your toes, all of your toes. Big toes push down, spread that weight all through the toes. Lift the heels and lower. Keep your butt up. Make sure it doesn't drop. You've got 4 more. On your next one, stay up with the heels and hold. Check in, open through your chest. Rib cage connects. Now drop the heels down. Lift that left leg up and hold it up. Lower the butt and lift. Lower the butt and lift. So bum goes down, back goes down, then we push up. Let's take 4 more here. Remember these ones, they go straight into isolating that right glute. They're intense, but we don't do many reps. Stay at the top and hold here. Now from here, point the toe to lower and then flex to lift it back up. Point and flex. Keep your chest open, keep driving through that right foot. Let's take 2 more, point and flex. 1 more, point and flex. Hold the leg at the top here. Little pulses. Drive from that right foot up. Really push through the foot. Feel it into the butt. Don't yank your chest up to the ceiling. Take 2 more. 1 more. Hold. I know that's burning. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Bend the knee. Slowly lower the foot down. Stay here in the bridge for a moment. Squeeze your knees towards each other. Release that pressure on the outer edge of the glute. Then slowly roll down. Pull the knees into your chest. Little circles. in each direction. Reverse it. Really nice little massage for your hips. Opening through the butt. Cross the right ankle over the left. You can draw the knee in to intensify that stretch, or you can just stay here and feel that gentle opening. And then switch sides. Draw it in. So when we contract, we then want to expand and relax the muscle to really get an effective toning. And then lower the foot down, roll over to your side, make your way back up to seated. Great job. If you enjoyed this, you can join me for all of my chain movement classes at ritam.studio.